Boxing is in the air again as the 2017 season of the Ray and Nephew Contender Series punched off last night. And in what is being dubbed the best contender opening fight ever, hometown favorite Sakima Mullins eventually took care of business against the Canadian Winston the Punisher Matthews. But hear my thing now. Sakima win the fight, but it was not a clinical performance. Let me put it this way. It was not as convincing a win as we would like to see from a man who is one of the favorites for the title this season. Sakima should have knocked out this little man here from about round 3 or round 4. This practice of using up the first 2 rounds of the fight to warm up, Sakima must remember that this is the contender and not the 10 and 12 round title fights he's been having over the past year, where he can take the first 3 or 4 rounds to look at his opponent. This is 5 fast rounds of boxing. You have to make the adjustments, Sakima. Yes, we enjoyed the gimmickry and the showboating, but anyhow this brethren from Canada did have some more power in his punches. It could have been dangerous. So good win, but it was an untidy win. When you're fighting an unknown fighter, you don't waste time or take unnecessary chances. Take it out of the judge's hand. From your stepping on the ring and the bell sound, it's business time. Get to work, Sakima. Get to work. Yes, I'm not talking to you again. What's that?